Cassidy here. Come and meal prep with me. So today I'm going to be meal prepping ground chicken burgers and savory cut up sweet potatoes. The seasonings that I am going to be using today is low sodium Sappy Mama, black pepper, and garlic and onion powder. I am also going to be adding some shredded cheese to the top and making lettuce burgers. So guys, let's get cooking and let's get into the video. So I am about to begin on the patties first. It looks like I can get about 3 patties out of this pack. So I am about to season this up and form the patties. Okay guys, this is how the chicken patties are looking. So before I begin cooking the chicken patties, I am going to start on my sweet potatoes because I want everything to be cooked around the same time. So I am about to chop up and season my sweet potatoes. Now I am going to go in with a little bit of grapeseed oil and mix it around, and then put it in the air fryer for 380 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see how long. Now I am placing the burgers inside of the pan. Guys, this smells so good. I really wish you can smell it. It smells so delicious already. But it's time to flip the burgers. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes and the patties are finished and the sweet potatoes are also finished. Now it's time to plate everything inside of the meal prep bowls. Okay guys, I cut up my tomatoes and seasoned them with black pepper off camera, but this is the finished product. Okay, that is all I have for you today, guys. Everyone be blessed, and I love you in the mighty, powerful name of Jesus. Have a great day.